Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Zettelkasten in Notion versus Obsidian. We'll explore how each tool supports this powerful note-taking method, helping you decide which best fits your workflow. We'll cover their core functionalities, unique advantages, and potential drawbacks for building a robust knowledge system. Understanding these differences is crucial for optimizing your personal learning and creativity, whether you manage dozens or hundreds of interconnected notes. Let's dive into the specifics of each platform. Notion offers incredible flexibility with its database features, allowing you to structure notes with properties like tags, dates, and relationships. This makes it excellent for managing projects alongside your Zettelkasten. Its collaborative nature also means you can share and co-create knowledge effortlessly. However, linking notes can sometimes feel less fluid than dedicated tools, and offline access is limited. While powerful, setting up a true Zettelkasten system in Notion often requires more initial configuration and custom database views. Obsidian excels with its local-first, plain text approach, ensuring your notes are always accessible and future-proof. Its powerful bidirectional linking and interactive graph view make discovering connections between hundreds of notes intuitive and visually engaging. With a vast community and dozens of plugins, you can customize your Zettelkasten extensively. While it offers unparalleled control and speed for note-taking, Obsidian does have a steeper learning curve for new users and lacks native real-time collaboration features, focusing more on individual knowledge management. Choosing between Notion and Obsidian for your Zettelkasten depends on your priorities. If you value an all-in-one workspace with robust database features and collaboration, Notion might be your choice. If you prioritize local files, powerful linking, and a highly customizable, distraction-free writing environment for hundreds or thousands of notes, Obsidian is likely superior. Both can build effective Zettelkasten systems, but Obsidian often provides a more native and fluid experience for pure knowledge linking and discovery. Consider your workflow and scale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.